Coach, tough loss tonight. What happened on the boards in the fourth?
Look, man, we're talking about physics. Not effort, not heart, physics. We're talking about physics. I mean, come on, we're talking about physics. That's all I'm saying.
They're right on me.
They want it so bad.
I'm not losing this. Oh my god.
Let me go. You're doing it. Free fall over Mars, baby. Look at that dirt. I can taste the cinnamon in the air right now. Okay, watch this. Parachute. Oh, that tug is wild. We're
Midnight has a guardian.